A suspicious activity message in Bingo Cash usually means the app's security system has flagged something about your account, device, network, or payment activity. It doesn't automatically mean you've done anything wrong, but it can temporarily block gameplay, deposits, or withdrawals until the issue is resolved. By the end of this video, you'll know what triggers this warning and the safest way to remove it without making the problem worse. The first thing to do is stop trying to log in repeatedly. Multiple failed login attempts in a short period can make automated security systems more cautious. Wait a few minutes, then try signing in again using the correct account credentials. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy service if you're using one. Security systems often flag accounts that appear to connect from different locations in a short time. Connect through your normal home Wi-Fi or your mobile data connection instead. If you've recently changed phones, reset your device, or logged into Bingo Cash on multiple devices, that can also trigger additional verification. Stick to one device while the account is being reviewed. Now, check your payment information. Make sure the name on your payment method matches your Bingo Cash account whenever possible. Repeated payment failures, reverse transactions, or switching between multiple payment methods within a short period may also trigger a security review. If the warning appeared immediately after an app update, visit the App Store or Google Play Store and confirm you're using the latest version. If another update is available, install it. If you're already current, restart your phone before opening the app again. Avoid creating a second account to bypass the warning. Using multiple accounts can violate the app's rules and may lead to a longer account review or permanent restrictions. It's much better to resolve the issue with your existing account. If the message doesn't disappear, contact Bingo Cash support directly through the app or the official support page. Include your username, the device you're using, your operating system version, and a screenshot of the suspicious activity message. Those details help the support team verify your account faster. While waiting for a response, don't uninstall the app unless support specifically recommends it. Reinstalling rarely removes an account-related security flag because the warning is usually tied to your account rather than the app itself. To recap, stop repeated login attempts, disable any VPN, use one trusted device, verify your payment information, update the app, and contact support if the warning remains. Following those steps gives you the best chance of restoring normal access without creating additional security flags. If this guide helped you understand the suspicious activity warning, like the video and subscribe for more Bingo Cash fixes and app troubleshooting guides.